morning, students. Today is the new day. You have to start today with another topic. But before that, I want to take you to the place of reference. You want to contact me, you can use this address here to contact me. Yes, use to contact me. Alright, let's go back to our motherboard components, integrated components. Look at the motherboard. You have the system board or motherboard or planner board, all the same. Now, first of all, we are going to look at the power ports, power connector. Look at the power connector. The power connector is here. You see the power connector. Look at it here. Power connector, 20-pin power connector, and the auxiliary 4-pin power connector. Yes, this the one supplies the main thing. The 20-pin supplies the main power, while this auxiliary helps. It's helping sort of a thing. Now we go again to, let's look at your drives. Let me start with drive, or rather, let me start from front panel. This is front panel connector. The front panel connector, you see here, you have your keyboard and mouse connector, here. You have your serial ports here. You have your VGA here, video graphic array. Then you have your, here you have USB connectors, about 4 of them there. You have your network connector, you have your sound connector. These are what make up the front panel connectors. So these front panel connectors are discussed now. Now let me go straight to the heat sink. This is heat sink. This is the heat sink, and with each fan, once you put the system on, the fan will be blowing on top of the heat sink, providing what? Providing power, cooling effects. It cools the processor while the processor is working. It cools the processor while the processor is working. Right? So once, for example, the fan is not blowing and the power is not coming here, everything on the system seized up. Mouse will not be working, keyboard will not be working, CMOS will not be working. So all these things, once you start experiencing it, you know that your heat sink is having problem. It's not getting enough power to power up the system. Now let's go straight again to, let me go to RAM. This is RAM modules. The RAM modules is here, where you slot your RAM, and any number you want. If you put 2, all right, 1, okay. But this is called RAM modules. Right? RAM modules. Now let's go again. You have your AGP, accelerated graphic ports. Look at it here. It enables you to install external device to the computer. External device like sound card, VGA card, if you want to be in card, VGA card, and etc. All the external connectors will be connected there. Once and for all, you have it 2 here. Now this one is, of course, this one is called this is north bridge. Sorry, this is the south bridge. This is the north bridge. The north bridge is here. The north bridge is here, taking care of high or fast running components. In the computer, you have fast running components. You have low running components. Fast running components comprises like the processor, RAMs, etc. They are running at a faster speed, so that this one controls it. This controls it. You have this one, which is a South Bridge. South Bridge, of course, comprises the low running component is connected. Low running component controls them. Now we come to the SATA. This is a SATA port. SATA port with SATA connectors. With SATA connectors connected. Right? You have SATA connectors. We have here again. You have the CMOS battery. CMOS controls the CMOS settings. All the settings of the computer system is controlling them. So these are the things for this. Of course, this is the almost latest motherboard. The number of power is 24 pins. 24 pins I said earlier, and this is the 4 pins connector. It goes in a modular. It means in one direction with a notch on it. Right? This is the speaker. One computer says if you are paying, this is what does that small sound. The speaker is there. Speaker there. Then we have again this power one connect the hard disk. You know, this hard disk is connected here. Now this one, let me come to the older one, older type of board. This is old type of board. It's an ancient board, but you're supposed to have idea of this. This is into. You see AGP here. AGP for this one. This one, of course, this is integrated drive electronics. This one is RAM ports, RAM modules. The pin, the power pack of this one, the power supply, the power connector is a 20 pin only. 20 pin with auxiliary 4 pins. So this is just the older type that is being used, but it's not being used again. If you look at it, it uses ISA, integrated drive electronics. ISA, you see it here. This one is where you connect your hard disk with this type of cable. With this type of cable, you use it to connect the your hard disk. It goes again, but what you have now is SATA. We don't use this one again. It's outdated. You don't use this. You don't use this. What you use now is SATA. This SATA, of course, enable you to install at least 4, 2, as case may be, maybe the hard disk, the CD-ROM, or other etc. things that have to make up the system. So this is also the address. Call me on address. This address, that's Okoye. So there. Call me 080-388-964-95. If you have any question to ask, you call to be directed. So that is it. So in this case now, we are going to stop here and to start next time we call up. So we're going to start next time. We're going to stop here and to stop next one. I can say bye-bye. I can say bye-bye for everybody, for all the students that are intended to come to this class. I thank you very much.